students. I hope you all are fine, and first of all I just give you congratulations, you done well. You are saying, "Hey, ma'am, result is not come, but definitely that full year you done hard work, so result definitely come good only. I hope for your best result one. Listen students, and you are taking a science stream, so first again welcome you in the science stream, especially in biology subject. So you are taking a science stream. Is a biology your main subject for your dream? What is your dream? Whatever we are going to discuss related of your career and all these things. First I just want to tell you, our Vashisht students, which is a last 5 year, it's passed from our Vashisht school. They are getting a very good placement, good colleges, and I just hope for you student ki you will also just shine like that. Only students, they all are in touch with me, and then our all associated teachers. I hope for you the best one only. So see students, what is the things is there. You are taking 11, 12 as a PCB. It means your main subject is a biology. You are taking a biology for your many purpose. Maybe you are very clear about, yeah, I just want to be go in the MBBS line or the doctor line. But some are student is having the confusion. If it is not MBBS, whatever the other line, how we can get it. Same thing if you are taking the go for the MBBS line, so how you proceed, which step, what is the syllabus, how you prepare from the beginning. So that is a big task, but this big task if you clear from the beginning, so is easy to handle properly. Got student? So let's see in our science stream, especially in the biology, nowadays number of the branch open, number of the college is in our India. Not only in India, outside in India also having a number of career related opportunities. Okay, so there is a brief introduction about the science stream, especially in the biology, how you can make your career. Except MBBS and BDS, we go through the MBBS BDS related main point also, but you just be know there is a other than the medical line, number of the line you can make your career, reputed post one. Let's see the little brief idea about what were the things you can do it. Okay, so see, there is a BSc in clinical research and integrated science. You are know nowadays there is a corona, lockdown, the big problem that full world is facing. Now we want more medical and science related stream students, so lab technician, doctors and all these things. So in coming year is a more demand of this type of the stream. So this is clinical research and integrated science. You can be go many are the colleges, Chennai, Punjab and Delhi, Bangalore. This is the best colleges you can be do from there, or either in the Gujarat also, Nirma University and then Vidyanagar also, number of the colleges you will be go with that also. MSc and MTech in biotechnology, you go for this one. If you want to go the more research line, professor lines, you go with this biotechnology. MTech and MLC, this is just be technically or modification, GMO, some alteration, new product, new invention related branch. Another is a BSc Operation Theatre. Okay, this is also very good things in the bio stream. Degree in environmental engineering, that is called, this is a BE degree. BE degree you can be say there is an engineering degree, but its a base is biology one, and it has a very good opportunity in government job one. You will get a very good post in government one. BSc in radiography, CT scan, MRI one, you will be see, you are know about that how they also getting a very good one, BSc Radiography. B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy. A deal with drugs and medicines. There is a big pharmaceutical companies. Okay, so you will be make a career to in a many. चल रहा है आपका ये?
अब चल रहा है.
Bachelor of Pharmacy, which deals with drug and medicine. So you can make your career in a pharmaceutical companies, and they are giving a good placements one. Okay. Another thing is a physiotherapist. This demand is nowadays is so increased in our India. Okay. Help patient with the physical difficulty. Okay, related of post surgery, and especially in the bone and all these things. BSc Nursing, this is a very reputed part one, and this is demand in the outside country also, especially the Indian nursing students they want. Anesthesiology, it's related of post and pre-surgery related of thing. This is also the very reputed part. BSc speech therapy, this is also the some difficulty in that is a speech one, so there is such a degree course, so you can go with the BSc speech therapy. Hematology, it deals with the study of diagnosis, study of blood test, urine test, and you can be make your own lab and establish your own career. BSc in medical laboratory, that is also the relate of same thing one. Genetic engineering is also demanding. This is demanding in agriculture area. In agriculture area. So there is a green revolution and many other things where there is a demanding of genetic engineering, modification related one. And forensic study, there is a crime related or the finding of the new facts, that is a forensic study. Cosmetic science, that is a cosmetology. Now there is this very specific scene is coming. Now the person want their special cosmetologist. Whatever there is a problem, they just go to the specialist person. That is a cosmetic science. That is also very good earning. If they are go with this. Food preservation and packaging, that is also very good one. Here is a government job is also very good scope. Dietitians in school in the school hospitals, there is a dietitian and physiotherapist. These two things mostly they have to recruitment, so that is also very good thing. Now this is accept MBBS, there is a number of the branch, you go with this one, and this is this is a number of the things. You can't say only the doctor having a reputed post, other also having, and they also get a very good salary one. Now if you have a really dream, yeah, we want such a court one, we want a doctor line, so there is an MBBS and BDS which you can fight by the NEET exam. NEET exam is taken by NTA, National Test Agency. Okay, how you will go, whatever the things. So there is a 2-year course, 11th and 12th, biology, physics and chemistry. So there is a brief introduction about your NEET examination. Okay, we also guide in between in your explanation time, so you will be just concerned about your NCERT textbook, so you will be get better idea. But first, what is the courses and what were the subject is come for the NEET, and MBBS is a medical line where having a 66,000 seat only. So, and our India having a number of students go for this one, so there is having a big fighting for the good medical college and government college. So there is a NEET exam taken by NTA. Syllabus is 11th and 12th full course for physics, chemistry and biology. These three main subjects. If you are good in the biology, but you have to make your good in physics, chemistry. Okay, this is a 3 combination subject. So in the NEET examination, physics, chemistry, biology, 3 subject. Number of the question is going to ask in NEET exam, 45 for the physics one, chemistry 45, biology 90. 90 is from botany and zoology, okay, and full 11th 12th course. So don't be take it granted over your 11th standard. Starting from your 11th, you have to be very serious about your study. There is a 45 question, each question having 4 marks. The correct answer you will get 4 marks, and in incorrect answer or the indirect answer or incorrect answer, there is a -1. Okay, so 180 for the physics, 180 marks for the chemistry, and biology you will 360. This is the big things. If you start from the beginning, you will get at least 300 up. Okay, so that is 700. 600 plus, if you are getting 100%, you will get the government says in the less amount you can be complete your MBBS. So there is a 180 questions total come out of there is a 720 marks is there. If you score very good one, so you will get your MBBS and you just become a doctor, your dream become just be shine. So this is just brief introduction of about the biology subject, and a brief introduction about the biology subject. Okay, and we are start our journey 11th and 12th with you with the good speed, good planning from the starting. So 100% your dream will come true one. Okay, so you have to be a regular, the plan way, don't take a lightly. 11th is a not a board exam, so we can be just be okay, not today, tomorrow we will study. If you are doing this way, so it's a fact in your last and the final time. So be serious from your starting, not only for the MBBS one, for the every exam, because there is a score one. If you get a good percentage, good percent in your board one, so you will get easy admission in every type of the college. And definitely if you get the good college, you will shine more better. So this is the things about the biology related things. All the best all students.